Good morning, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a wheelchair accessible 2017 Kia Soul with an automatic rear ramp. And we have a Garrett here is going to show us when you're in a power chair how to board the Kia Soul from the rear. You literally can do this all by yourself. If you had a power transfer seat, we have also the option of a power transfer seat where you literally can, with a touch of a button, just drive your wheelchair right in the back of the vehicle and transfer over the transfer seat and just take off. So we're going to show you today just a touch of a button here. Now this is a 2017, only has 5,000 miles. We have a whole row of Kia Souls in stock, a huge selection, all different colors. As you see here, super simple, just a touch of a button. Super easy to board these Kia Souls. And as you see here, there's plenty of room, so if you position your wheelchair in the right spot, you have plenty of room for the power transfer seat from the driver's side. So you can just transfer right from your wheelchair into the power transfer seat and then close her up and take off. Here at Freedom Motors in Battle Creek, Michigan, we've been in business over 30 years, and we specialize in special cool vehicles like this, wheelchair accessible vehicles, Kia Souls, Kia Sorentos. We even have Chevy Silverados, Chevy Suburbans, Yukon Denali, XLs. Super cool. We've been in business over 30 years, family-owned business. We have sales reps in the sales force across the United States of America. We do in-house free demonstrations right from your home. This one has only got 5,000 miles. It's black, 2017. We've got a whole slew of them, a whole bunch to choose from, all different colors. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. And please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.